So you feel stuck and you don't really know what to do. Let me tell you that you are not alone. Everyone at some point has been stuck in their creativity path. I'm going to explain how to overcome this, at least how I've been doing it after years of 3D modeling and photography. By nature, I'm not what you would call a creative person. In fact, I'm quite the opposite. I'm very logical and scientist. But if there is one thing I've learned over the years, is that creativity is something you can learn and train for. The first step to anything is to watch. Watch what's going on around you. Before creating, you need to put yourself into the observer perspective. Analyze what you like or don't like in a creation. Good places to go are Pinterest, ArtStation, Instagram, or YouTube. Don't consume just to consume. Be active while doing it. By active, I mean paying attention to what makes this or that interesting from your point of view. Take notes. Whenever you get an idea in mind, write it down on your phone, post-it, or Windows block notes. Write it as soon as you have the idea in mind. At first, it might not seem a good idea, or maybe you don't have time to implement it right now, but it could be helpful later on. Whenever you got a bit more time, or you want to take a break on something, copy all your notes into a centralized place. When you need inspiration, just look into your notes. Maybe an idea from 2 months ago can be your next project. Aside what I've talked about, practice is one of the best ways to develop your creativity. But wait, how do I practice if I don't even know what to make? Good question. The solution to this is to take an example and try to reproduce it. If you really like an artwork from someone else, try to make the same, with your own twist of course. Reproducing other people's work trains your eye and gives you a clear and defined goal. One good thing to do when you are out of idea is to practice in challenges. All over the internet, you can find community challenges. It will not only make you learn new techniques, but also try different styles and probably inspire you from all other participants' artwork. By the way, if you want me to organize community challenges, let me know in the comments. Try new things, and when I'm saying that, I'm not only talking about your art or creation domain, I'm also talking about your life. Go to a new restaurant, go for a walk in a park, or challenge yourself with new activities with your friend. By doing this, you will refresh your mind with new ideas. Take your time and relax. It's okay to do nothing. Nowadays, we tend to always do something. Learn to appreciate the moments without music, videos, or phone. For me, meditation has proven to be a quite effective solution, and every day I go to the park without any music in my ears, just listening the environment around me. To conclude, try to implement those things at your own pace and regularly. If you haven't seen it already, I'll let you watch this amazing tool in Fluent.